The annual Brockville Santa Claus Parade is set to take to the streets of Brockville this Saturday, November 27th, starting at 2 p.m. This year, both the Thousand Islands and Brockville Rotary Clubs, along with the Brockville District Shriners, are organizing the parade. The parade starts at 2 from the corner of North Augusta Road and Pearl Street, then will travel west on Pearl Street, east to Park Street, then going south on Park Street, turning west onto King Street, through the downtown core and ending at Gilmore Street. This year's theme is the Magic of Christmas, which will feature over 60 floats and a number of marching bands. Once again this year, volunteers will walk the route to collect non-perishable food items for the Operation Harvest Sharing Food Bank, and also be collecting snowsuits for area children for the Kinsman Club's Snowsuit Drive. In addition, Canada Post representatives will be in the parade Saturday, collecting letters from the kids along the parade route for special delivery to Santa. Kids can address letters to Santa Claus at the North Pole, HOH-OHO. The Brockville Braves will also be walking in the parade, handing out candy and giving autographs and tickets to their games. Anyone interested in entering a float can still register online at rotarybrockville.org/SCP, where there is additional information. Deadline for registration is this Friday at 6 p.m. Dale Elliott, BNTV News.